traders, are you struggling to decide between swing trading or day trading? Or maybe you've just been burned out looking at the charts, chasing tiny profits and wondering if there's a smarter way. I'm Alan Edward. I'm a full-time trader for over 10 years now with a focus on mechanical approaches alongside using a swing approach. So today I'm revealing why swing trading is a better option and it's the key to building wealth and freedom. So let's dive in. So let's start with the most important question. Why is it that you want to trade? It was probably to have more freedom, spend time with the family, grow your wealth. You didn't really get into this for the action, not for the excitement, not to feel smart. And this is what happens with a lot of traders. They end up going in for the freedom to make more money, to excel their life and grow their wealth. But what happens? They end up getting chained to the charts, 8 hours a day, being glued to the charts like a zombie, and they forget the why. So this is why I started off with this. Why is it that you want to trade? Remember your why, and then use trading to build that why. When you use a swing approach, you can actually build the systems and processes to get that freedom to grow your wealth. So swing trading is the perfect approach, and we're going to be delving into why exactly that. So these are a nice little comparison between swing trading and day trading. The first few are the ones that I want to just go over quickly. The temperament you need, day trading is quite high. So what I mean by that is day trading is quite reactive. You can get emotional and drained. On the next point, it's very active. You have to constantly monitor your trading every second, and you can just burn out and then end up self-sabotaging. Whereas swing trading, it's a bit more slower, it's less active, and it gives you more patience because you only need to come to the chart once a day, check, okay, carry on with your day. You're not constantly having to watch or wait around as you would do with day trading. So the difference between swing trading versus day trading, basically the term swing comes from one swing of the move. Now, it's not necessarily always like that. You can have a few swings before you exit, but generally what it means is a swing trader would take a trade down here and exit round about here, let's say. So that's basically one swing of the market. And if they bought down here, they'd exit round about here. That's the second swing. So where the swing trader only takes one trade, all right. The day trader might have took like 40 trades or something like that. Okay. Um, yeah, that might sound good. More trades, more money, but that's just a myth. And with day trading, you end up getting burnt out. You end up becoming all emotional, self-sabotaging. So by the time they've got to the 10th trade or the 20th trade, they probably self-sabotage, lost all their money. You have to have extreme discipline to do the day trading successfully. Very rarely do people succeed at it. So you can see the time effort. Okay, so the swing trader takes a trade down here, X's it up here, and it's probably made the same amount as what this 40 trade day traders just took. So the effort in reward to what they're doing is much easier for a swing trader. So they take a trade here, they'll exit up here, take a swing. Whereas that day trade is just trading every single trade up and down, maybe winning, most likely losing. Just wanted to show you the difference there. So I just wanted to bust some myths. A lot of people think that you can't make big money with swing trading, which is an absolute lie. The truth is you can make more money with less effort with a swing approach. I used to day trade, um, trying to grind it out for small wins and just getting stressed and emotional and burning out. And it's only when I went swing trading that my whole trading changed around instantly. I was happier, I was calmer, and then I could actually grow my account. I could actually get these 30, 50 hour moves. Not all the time, don't get me wrong. I can get bigger moves. Whereas when I was day trading, I was just trying to get them little wins in and out and hardly getting anything. The second myth is you have to work hard for money trading. This is a big misconception. You've been told trading success comes from grinding harder, more trades, more hours, more effort. It's wrong. It's the opposite. It's called the law of reversed effort. The harder you work, the worse you do. And swing trading proves this, all right? By trading less, holding positions longer, and letting the market do the work, you can actually make more. And I learned this the hard way, but once I eased up, my bottom line improved massively. And the final myth is you can't make money with a job trading. So this is false. You don't have to day trade full time. You can use a swing approach alongside your job so it doesn't interfere. And I know many successful traders who actually still have a job. And what this does as well is you don't have to rely totally on their income from trading. So therefore, the decisions are less emotional and more logical, which is a huge advantage. So with a swing approach, you can have a job and reduce that emotional pressure. So here's some of the day trading cons. So you can spend hours glued to the charts, micromanaging your trades. It's highly stressful. Every move can easily trigger you because you're seeing the fast up and down candles and it's just draining. It drains that willpower. The next one is low reward for effort. So you can take 14 trades and that might just be equal to one swing trader's profit. And finally, you're unable to hold trades. That's the biggest con of day trading. You can never let your positions run like you can do with a swing approach, which is a huge advantage. That's how you catch those life-changing trades, and you're unable to do that with day trading. So the swing trading pros, you can get bigger profits with less effort, hold those trades for longer, catching massive moves. Time freedom, very big one. You can spend minutes trading the daily, leaving yourself to do whatever you want during the day. All right, spend time with your family, do your hobbies or whatever it is. Now let's talk about the emotional impact, okay, of day trading versus swing trading. So day trading is a psychological nightmare. You're chained to the screens, your heart's pounding, you're second guessing every move, and you jump into trades which leads you to exit out of fear, and you end up frustrated, exhausted, and losing money. And it's not just tiring, it's unsustainable. You're fighting your own psychology and it's a losing battle. Where swing trading, it gives you space to breathe. You check your trades once or twice a day, then you walk away, and that time allows you to recharge, reset, and refocus. You're not drained from endless chart watching. You trade from calm, not chaos. You can make decisions based on logic, not emotion. It's sustainable, which is the key. So I just wanted to show you this swing trade that I've currently took this year. Now, not to show off or anything, but to make a point. So you can see here, I took a trade down here, and this trade maybe took me 2 or 3 minutes to enter. I only come to the chart for 10 minutes a day, enter trades, manage trades and walk away. That's it. So this took me a few minutes and now I'm letting it run and I'm using this 20 EMA to trail it. And if I get a candle close below it, I'll exit the trade. Okay, so now the trade's working hard for me. I'm not working hard for money. The money's working hard for me. All I do is I come back once a day, check to see if there's been an exit signal. That's it. Now, the point of this is this trade took me a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And now I'm just letting it do the work. Whereas a day trader, what are they doing? They're trading every up and down candle here, getting burnt out, getting emotional, and probably losing money. So they're working hard for their money and actually losing. And I'm doing the opposite. So you have to get your head around this, that you can make more money by doing less. Because you're thinking now, yeah, I'm loving the idea of a swing approach, maybe using a mechanical system as well alongside it. I have my Edge Blueprint guide that goes into how I trade mechanically using the swing system. So if you want to learn more on how to get started, just click the link below for the free guide. So to recap, day trading has the highest failure rate compared to swing trading. It's a fact. It's more stressful. It's prone to burnout and emotions in day trading. Swing trading can be more profitable due to its ability to hold trades. Swing trading is far easier to trade. It requires less time, which equals less emotion. So thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.